Once again, hello to everybody. The FutureTrend channel is again with you, and we are starting our analysis of euro crosses for the date of 9 of May 2018. As you see, without exemption, all the euro crosses are under the downside pressure now, because of geopolitical instability in the world and also because of political instability in Europe. As you know, yesterday the policy Italian political deadlock once again resurfaced, and from that point of view the euro should remain under the selling pressure right now because of this political deadlock in Italy. That means that probably in the nearest future we could see another general election in Italy. Of course, that development does not bode well for the nearest future of the single currency. Let's see the situation with one kind of euro cross to another. Here the situation especially interesting in the euro-Swiss pair, where we see a rejection from a psychological important barrier 120. That means that probably for the nearest future we could see some further slump in the price of the euro-Swiss, probably even to the longer term uptrend line located around 116.50. Also here lies moving average 200 daily line around 116.28, and as you can see that's really very interesting. Geopolitical factors undermining the price of Swiss franc, also only in case of political problems in Europe, not in entire world. So now the Swiss currency is a kind of risk aversion, safe haven currency only in case of some kind of problems internally in the eurozone. And as regarding the euro sterling, here the situation still remains rather unclear at the moment, because from one point of view, while below longer term downtrend line located around 88.55, the pair should remain down pressured, but to really succeed to the downside, the pair should initially break below its immediately bullish trend line located around 87.50, but it seems that it's just a matter of time break below this level, and here the situation should remain negative for the euro sterling, taking into account the political problems in Italy. The euro yen still should remain also under the downside pressure, and the possible break below the lows of 2018 located around 128.95 should take the currency some lower, initially to the lows of August 2017 located around 127.56. That means that this kind of pair should remain under the selling pressure in the nearest future, taking into account all the negative circumstances associated with the single currency right now. That's also the really very weak economic numbers coming from the eurozone, also the political instability in Italy, and also the strength of the Japanese currency from the point of view of geopolitical risks worldwide. Thank you very much for your attention. Some later we will come with our analysis of commodity currencies.